Hi, welcome to FilesDNA tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to sign a PDF document. Find the PDF you would like to sign. Click on Actions. Select Open Edit. Choose a space for your signature. The system will automatically use your default signature. All you need is click on Sign. Drag your signature to correct location. Once you are happy with the document, click on Finish. Now you have three options to choose from. Option 1 will save your PDF as a draft so you can make changes later. Option 2 will save your actions and export it to PDF. Option 3 will create new edited PDF file and the old one will remain unchanged. Choose your option and select Submit. Well done! You have just signed your first document. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time.